This is your video for rounding decimals justified list. These are your instructions. We're going to work through the first couple together. So your your columns are your problem, and then it says estimation. This should say your answer, and I guess it's sort of an estimation, but not really. I don't want to confuse rounding and estimation. They're not the same thing. And then your justification. So it says round 4 and 71 thousandths to the nearest hundredth. Let's box in the word hundredth. Okay, we need to underline the hundredths place. That's the 7. So everything in front of the 7 stays the same. So I'm going to do 4.0. Okay, everything in front of the 7 stays the same. Now we look to the right. Look next door, always to the right. Whatever is in front of it does not affect your rounding. Okay, so we're going to look next door. If it's 5 or greater, add 1 more. All the rest will fall away or turn to 0. So it's 7 and then 1. That 1 is 5 or less. It's less than 5. So our 7 is going to remain the same. So your answer is going to be 4 and 7 hundredths. If you write 4 and 70 thousandths, these are equivalent numbers. So both answers would be correct. For your justification, you are going to draw out what we just did. So 4 and 71 thousandths. You're going to underline your 7. You're going to draw your arrow to your 1. This is your justification. Okay, you're going to circle your 1, and then out here I want you to write less than 5. Less than 5. Okay, we'll do one more. It says round 8 and 29 hundredths to the nearest 10th. I'm boxing in the word 10th. Okay, so over here I'm going to write this in my justification now so I don't have to redo it again. So I'm going to write 8 and 29 hundredths. Going to underline my tenths place. What number is in the tenths place? Your 2. So everything in front of the 2 stays the same. So I'm going to write 8 point. Okay. Then I'm going to draw my arrow to look next door. 5 or greater, add 1 more. Is this number greater than 5? Yes. So I'm going to write greater than 5 for my justification. If it's greater than 5, I'm adding 1 more to my underlined place value, which is 3. So my answer is 8 and 3/10. You will finish the rest of this independently, following the instructions on your choice board for turning in.